Hey guys, Rexel here and welcome back to the channel. So recently, Facebook updated their messaging platform to keep up with the front runners of the group video chats like Zoom and Google Meet. Aside from the Facebook stories that they added just like with Instagram, these are the extra features of the newly updated Facebook Messenger. First is the Watch Together feature. You can access this feature by swiping up your screen during a video call and selecting videos and music together real time. Messenger also integrated the Share Your Screen feature, which allows you to share your screen to your friends. This can also be accessed by swiping up during a video call. Messenger also offers 4 new themes: Halloween, Love, Tie-Dye, and Pride. 3 of these themes look different when using dark mode or light mode. While the Pride theme only changes colors of the Pride flag with your text messages. And as you might notice, the app icon changed from the native blue icon to this blue, purple, pink gradient just like Instagram.